Welcome back to Salvaged by Sammy, where today we'll be updating a desk that I snagged off Facebook Marketplace for just $25. We're about to turn this old, tired piece of furniture into a stunning masterpiece. So let's get started. First, we need to give this desk a little TLC. We'll start by cleaning it up and removing any hardware that's seen better days. Crud Cutter is my favorite degreaser, and you can find it on Amazon or most home improvement stores. I use this on furniture as well as in my kitchen. You always want to use a degreaser before working on a piece of furniture to remove any dust or grime. We'll be sanding next, but if we don't clean first, the grime can build up on your sandpaper, causing you to go through sandpaper sheets very quickly. To ensure that our paint job lasts, we'll grab 100 grit sandpaper and give the desk an all-over sanding. Not only will this provide a better surface for the paint to adhere to, but it'll also smooth out those minor scratches and dents. A quick cleanup is in order again after sanding. We want to make sure there's no lingering dust or debris left on the piece when we paint. We'll be using Redesign with Prima's flower molds and resin to create flower decals that we'll add to our desk. I found both the molds and resin on Amazon, which I have linked down in the caption, along with all the other products I used in this makeover. To make the resin mix, you have to add part A, the resin, and part B, the hardener. I added about 4 caps of each and then mixed it all together. The resin kit came with small droppers, but I actually found it a lot easier to use a child's medicine syringe. I sucked it up out of the cup and then slowly added it to the molds. Keep adding the resin to the molds until the top is flush with the top of the mold. Make sure you're doing this on a flat surface. After waiting 48 hours for the decals to harden, it's time to remove them from the molds. This was my first time ever creating decals, but I was really impressed with the molds and how easily they removed. The silicone molds are really thick and well put together, so you'll be able to reuse them for any upcoming projects. I separated all the decals and then let them sit for an additional few hours just to make sure they were completely dried. Once you have your decals in hand, it's time to get creative. Arrange them on your piece of furniture so it draws your eye from one side to the other. To glue them on, I used Gorilla Glue, which is meant for many different types of surfaces, to make sure it stuck to both the desk and the decals. After they were all applied, I let the glue dry for 24 hours prior to painting. Time to refresh the hardware as well. You can choose to add new hardware to your piece or update them with spray paint like I did here. Pro tip, if you have hardware with screws that need painted to match, poke the screws into some cardboard to make them stand up and easy to spray paint. It is finally time to paint, and if you're using a paint sprayer like I will be, you cannot skip filtering your paint while adding it. This is easily the most important step because if you forget to, debris or chunks of paint that could have built up in the container can either clog your sprayer or get onto your piece. The HomeRate Super Finish Max is my personal favorite paint sprayer on the market because of how beginner-friendly and affordable it is. Using a paint sprayer while updating furniture saves you time, gives you an even finish, and easily gets into all the details of a piece. However, they are in no way a necessity. Any furniture makeover can be done using a small microfiber paint roller or a paintbrush. For this desk makeover, I'm painting it in Willow Bank by Fusion Mineral Paint. Next, we'll add our top coat. Even when paint companies say a top coat is built into the paint, I always add an additional one. You can never go wrong with adding more protection and durability to a piece, especially one that will be frequently used like a desk. Finally, we'll add back on our updated hardware. I love how the gold contrasts the blue that we painted it. Here's a reminder of what the desk looked like when I first bought it off Facebook, and here is it now. There you have it, a desk that went from drab to fab in just 10 steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and join me on Instagram and TikTok because you won't want to miss my next project.